Unwind your mind. In this series, we are going to talk about a few things that helps you with mindfulness. Today, we talk about our senses. Our senses like eyes, ears, nose, the skin, for the whole body. Let's start with our eyes. If we can really see with our eyes open, with no hindrances from our thoughts or feelings or emotions, you can really see what is there. It's not only with the eyes. What you can hear, the different sounds, that is in the nature. And if you can pay attention to each and every sound that you hear, at the same time, if you can also feel what you can sense from the environment through your skin, your sense of smell, the entire body can open up yourself to the outside world. What you observe, what you see, what you smell, and what you sense, everything can come together to create the world where you are in. As you observe the world around you using your senses, and if there are no thoughts or feelings or any emotions that cross your mind, you are truly in the present moment. There is nothing to keep you worried. There is nothing that keep you in the past. Everything is brought to the present moment. When you are in that moment, when all your senses are paying full attention, you realize that there is no anchor. The anchor, what we call as the self, it simply disappears.